Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what's consuming space and securing your data. Open Settings, go to iPhone Storage, and scan the list for the largest categories and apps. Once done, enable iCloud Backup and verify the most recent backup so you can remove things safely. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi and plug into power before deleting or transferring large files. This prevents interruptions and speeds up uploads. You now act on what you found. Offload apps you rarely use to free the app binary while keeping documents. For photos, enable Optimize iPhone Storage or export originals to a Mac or iCloud drive, then remove local copies. Next, clear Safari history and website data, delete large message attachments in Messages, and inside apps like podcasts or Spotify, delete downloaded episodes. These targeted removals free significant space without losing important. Finish by restarting your iPhone to let the system reclaim caches and recalculate available storage. This often frees hidden space. If your storage still reads full, review system storage and consider restoring the device from a fresh backup after exporting important data, which clears phantom usage. Finally, open the Files app and remove old iCloud Drive files or local downloads to shave off extra megabytes. If something goes wrong, restore from the backup you made at the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.